introduction.
Okay. My family Obiora, Gapa. I'd like to thank everybody for the support and love Eshoro towards my late father, Sifa Gapa. I want to bring them but starting from the service of song in Maduju, and then on Okapo's base, dignitaries from all over came, to show him love, to give him his flowers, honor him. So I need to be very grateful as a family for support and I hope that love will be transferred over to Umaya, and I need to try for our best to make one go marry, because love is something you earn. You earn that, you earn respect. You have to put in the work. So I need to put in that work to make sure that legacy I need to build on it. And by the grace of God, succeeded. I would like to thank you all for everything that you've done for us so far. The support and outpouring of love and, gratitude. Okay, there's some things I should know my sisters are mad, So, and now I was used to me, and I said, no man cannot, no one cannot, no one cannot, you cannot see no man, I cannot, and I said, Sifa and that. And that is a beautiful thing. Okamana, Marumwa, if we are more merit than no generation, we cannot, what Sifa cannot do, when you cannot know you can over, no more you cannot get it, no more you cannot get it. So, if I can reach before, the man, like, if I was Sifa Jollity. So, over his life, with joy and happiness. Obviously, everybody money, but obviously, kind of money is so people with trouble, and that's how he lived. And even about some of the secrets to his long life, because and that is the kind of life we all should emulate. Only worry, if a name, I should know more. If a family is catching a jinabo, and in the morning, somehow that problem will resolve itself. That is just how life is. So after the darkest hour comes dawn. Before you bush it, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. So no matter how dark and how deep it is, light will eventually come. So thank you so much. As you know, I name it the Thanksgiving. So I need a Jamono.